Hey guys, I want to share with you my Quip Bluetooth enabled toothbrush. And as you can see, it is right here. Nice, compact, small design. I have the all black one. It comes in a lot of colors, so you can pick out which color that you personally like. But it basically works just like the standard Quip toothbrush, except for with the Bluetooth enabled features, it gives you a lot of stats via the app. So first off, you can see how the intensity is of your brushing, how much time you're spending on one section of your mouth, how often you're moving back and forth and showing the strokes. And so it kind of helps you coach you to making sure you're brushing your teeth at peak performance. It also rewards you for having good oral hygiene and brushing your teeth 2 times a day and things like that, and kind of gives you badges and all that kind of stuff. But overall, how the brush works is you're going to simply press the Q button right there. It will activate the vibration. It's not loud at all. It's very, very quiet. And then it will run for 2 minutes, and then it'll kind of pause after every 30 seconds. And what that's doing is it's telling you to kind of move different quadrants in your mouth, whether you're starting at the bottom and working your way around the top, or I personally like to do the front bottom and go to the back, front top and go to the back. So basically it makes sure you get full coverage and you make sure you're brushing your teeth for that full 2 minutes. As far as the actual quality of the vibration, the brushing, I absolutely love it. It's one of the big perks of this toothbrush. Every time I brush my teeth with it, the teeth feel nice and silky smooth. So it seems to work really, really well for me. Replacing the head is really easy. You can buy the replacements either a la carte, or you can have it set up to where they will ship them to you every 3 months. And basically it's going to come in a little case like this. And then they're going to also send you a replacement AAA battery, so that way you are keeping your toothbrush in peak performance. The battery does easily last for 3 months. I don't notice any degradation in vibrations or anything like that. Another big feature, I love the compact design. As you can see, it is really, really small, so it fits in most toothbrush holders. You don't have any big bulky equipment that's taking up a lot of counter space. It acts like a normal toothbrush, manual toothbrush, if you will. And so that's a really big feature. It's easy to replace the head. As I mentioned, you're just going to kind of pull off on this and then swap everything out. So it's really well designed. Another thing that I want to mention is it's going to come in this little case. I do recommend holding on to this because it makes a great travel case. You just simply put here and it'll keep your toothbrush great for when traveling. You can also leave the stand and just use it as a stand holder if you wish. If not, it also has this peel and stick part along the back, which you can just stick onto like a mirror, as long as it's, or glass or something like that, and it'll hold, and it is reusable, so you can peel it off and stick it and peel it off and stick it. My son, we do that all the time, and his has maintained its stickiness for over a year without any issues. But overall, I am a big fan of the Quip toothbrush. This is, like I said, the black metal designed Bluetooth enabled one. If you're in the market for an electric toothbrush, I do totally recommend checking this one out.